The positioning system is one of the necessary tools for modern people, and the industrial indoor positioning system can bring a more efficient management mode to the enterprise. This time, Avalue introduced the Artemis real-time location system in the factory of the Taiwan Textile Research Institute. Next, let us start with the dyeing and finishing process and see how Artemis helps the textile factory to accurately manage the trolleys. Dyeing and finishing processes in textile factory, including desizing, untwisting, presetting, dyeing, textile finishing, fabric setting. In the dyeing and finishing process, the trolleys loaded with fabrics need to shuttle between various workstations, and the management of the trolleys is not easy, which has always been a difficult point that the textile industry wants to overcome.
Generally, a dyeing and finishing factory covers an area of more than 10,000 square meters, and there are thousands of trolleys in operation. Under such a complex operating environment, it is not easy to manage the trolleys. In the past, we used manpower to handle such a complex process, and the error rate was very high. According to statistics, 3 to 5% of the fabric was lost every year, worth tens of millions of dollars. This has been a point in the entire textile industry that we hope to overcome. Therefore, allowing the operator to find the trolley he wants in the shortest time, for our textile factory, not only increases the efficiency of the operation, but also reduce the operating costs.
RENITY Artemis real-time location system, using UWB wireless technology, has the characteristics of high accuracy, high precision, and low power consumption, and provide a web-based user-friendly interface. Combine the existing operating system in the factory with the Artemis real-time location system and bind the positioning tag to the tracking object. Within the monitoring range of the anchor, the system can find the location of the object and track the path. If the object stays in the same place and exceeds the specified time, the system will send an email or SMS message to notify the supervisor. Appropriate equipment planning can be made for different fields, and systematic data can be provided to owners by recording and collecting data through the system. With the Artemis real-time location system, the worker no longer needs to rely on memory and experience to find the trolley. All the information is displayed in detail on the screen, which reduces the average time to find the trolley from 20 minutes to 3 seconds. The efficiency and productivity of the workers have improved. In addition, the loss of fabrics due to idle trolleys can be reduced by more than 90%. The Artemis real-time location system can analyze the historical trajectory of the vehicle and optimize the operation procedure with big data. With the rich functions of Artemis, traditional textile factories can be successfully transformed into smart factories.